Hello ladies. In the other videos you're not going to see me because I'm going to prop the camera up on top of this box to record all the other parts. We're going to make the cardigan that we all have been wanting to do. I'm using the red heart yarn, medium, it's a medium 4. And I am actually using the H hook, the 5mm, opposed to the 3.5 yarn, because my yarn, I'm sorry, 3.5mm hook, because I don't have burnout yarn, which is thinner, and that's why you would use this hook. I tried last night using this hook with this yarn, and it was just so difficult, very tight, so I just undid it. So H hook, which is 5mm, and the red heart saver yarn. So basically we're going to start with a slip knot. I make it super easy. I go like that, and I hold it at the X, and then I twist and put the hook in and pull the yarn through, and that is the slip knot right there. Very easy. So you're going to chain 33. It's actually 30, but then I do the last three more, so it could be a whole total of 30 chains. So 2, 3, you just do 30 because I already did this part. Okay, and you're gonna do once you do the 30 chains, you chain the 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna go on the 4th chain. Oh, where's the camera? 4th chain from the hook, and you're gonna do a double crochet. I'm doing a little mini one here. So yarn over, go in, pull the yarn in. You're gonna have 3 loops. You pull through 2, then you pull through 2. Once you get to the end, you will do the following. Can you tell this is the first time I make a video? Yes, it is. I'm usually videoing my cat. She's around here somewhere. Okay, got a little knot there. Alright, once you get to the end, this is just a mini one. Remember, do the chain 30, then 3 more. Okay, once you get to the end, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you're going to turn. You're going to do 1 double crochet in the same chain 3 space. Okay, but we don't count that chain 3 as a double crochet. It's just 1 double crochet. This is how the lady did it in the video. I thought it was kind of weird because usually when you do a chain 3 you do count it as a double crochet, but I actually understood why they did it that way. It looks weird when you don't do that extra double crochet there. So you're basically just doing 1 double crochet in all the rows. I want to do 1 more row with you guys before I get to doing the semicircle. Okay. Okay, see at the end, this is a chain 3 right here. This is the 3rd chain of the chain 3, and this is the chain from the top of the double crochet. You're only going to do a double crochet on top of the double crochet. You're not going to go into the chain 3 to do a double crochet. You're not going to do that. You're just going to leave it as is. See? So once you're done, then you're going to get that. See? That's it. In my other parts, I have the other videos. It has how I made the semicircles. From here, you can just pause the video, or you know what? Let me just stop it here. I'm thinking we'll just continue recording. In the other videos, you can see how I did the semicircle. So you could stop watching now and go to my other video to see how I did the semicircle and sewed it all together. Okay, it was pretty simple though. Okay, so I'm just going to continue here where I left off in the last, after the third video. I made 2 videos to do the semicircle and sewing it together, doing the top, and then my recording stopped because my phone overheated. So I had to redo this video to where I did that. This is pretty simple. It's a rectangular backing with 16 rows of 30 double crochets. Okay? Alright, so now now after you have sewn, that's when you come watch this part of the video. I know it could be confusing, but I just did a slip knot. Pull it out. I just did a slip knot, and then on the top of here that I sewed here, I put my hook in, pulled the knot through, and did a chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then you're gonna go into, see if you look here, into this double crochet space. You're gonna do a double crochet in there. Okay, and then if you look, there's double crochet, there's a spacing here, and that's where I put the last double crochet. You're going to put a double crochet in this little tiny hole there. Okay? And you're going to do another double crochet here. See? And in between, oh, I missed the hole. It's right there. Kind of tricky. Oh, you know what I missed? Hold on.